Heading to Malaysia? Here's a checklist of essential items to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Travel documents. Passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months and check if you need a visa. Travel insurance. A must-have for peace of mind. Flight tickets and hotel bookings. Keep digital and hard copies. Local currency, Malaysian ringgit, for small purchases. Clothing. Lightweight clothing. Malaysia's tropical climate means it's hot and humid year-round. Pack breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Rain gear. A compact umbrella or lightweight rain jacket for unexpected tropical showers. Modest outfits. When visiting religious sites, ensure you have clothing that covers your shoulders and knees. Swimwear, perfect for beach days or hotel pools. Footwear. Comfortable walking shoes for exploring cities or nature trails. Sandals, flip-flops, easy to wear for beaches or casual outings. Electronics. Power adapter. Malaysia uses Type G plugs with a voltage of 240 volts. Portable charger, keep your devices charged while on the go. Smartphone with travel apps. Install maps, translators, and ride-hailing apps like Grab. Camera, capture Malaysia's beautiful landscapes and cultural landmarks. Toiletries and health. Sunscreen. The tropical sun can be intense. Insect repellent. Essential for jungle treks or evening strolls. Personal medications. Bring enough for your trip and keep a copy of your prescription. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated in the humid weather. Snacks and essentials. Snacks. For long bus rides or when exploring rural areas. Small backpack, handy for day trips. Travel locks, for securing your luggage. Other must-haves. Copies of important documents. Keep digital and printed backups. Travel guide or notes. Highlight key attractions and local customs. Reusable shopping bag. Many stores in Malaysia charge for plastic bags. Small first aid kit. Band-aids, pain relievers, and motion sickness tablets. With these essentials, you'll be ready to explore Malaysia's vibrant cities, lush jungles, and serene beaches. Visit www.malaysiavisa.ae for more on holidaying in Malaysia, or you can get in touch with us. Also, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.